Okay, in this lesson, another one all about enhancing, improving our sentences. And it's a nice little trick today. I can use personification to enhance my sentences. Personification. Can you say personification? It is a tricky word, isn't it? Personification. There's a little key, a little clue in the word personification as to what it means. And it is just here where it says person. Person. Okay, you know, you and me as humans, we are all people, okay? Personification is when we give things that are not human, human qualities. Okay, so something that is not a human, we give it a human quality. So for example, in the wind, let's say that the tree is waving in the wind. Now trees can't wave, okay, they're not humans. We can wave, the tree can't wave, but if I said that the tree is waving, it really builds up quite a nice image in my mind, doesn't it? I see the leaves all fluttering and waving in the wind. It's really good personification. And you're going to be doing something about the garden later on. Let's have a little look on the board. I've got an example. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences here. The camera loves her. Sean heard the pie calling his name. The stadium held its breath as he lined up the ball. Her heart was racing. Okay? Now, these 4 sentences, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to think about what is the personification in each of these sentences. So there's something in here where we're giving a non-human noun a human quality. Okay, something human. So what I'd like you to do now, with your partner, whoever you're with, I'd like you to write down or just talk about which words in there do we think are being used as personification and trying to explain why. Pause. Okay, let's have a look at these sentences. The camera loves her. Now what does it mean? It means that every time she takes a picture, it's like Kate Middleton, yeah? She always looks glamorous, she's always looking gorgeous. The camera loves her. Okay? Cameras can't love, can they? Humans love, right? It's a human quality. But, so this, loves her, is the personification. Yeah? Of course it doesn't love her, it's a camera. It's got no feelings. But we say the camera loves her, it implies that she takes really good photos. Sean heard the pie call his name. You can't hear a pie, Sean, okay? But it means that pie was so tempting, right? He just couldn't help himself. He saw it, he wanted to eat it all up. It was calling his name, eat me, eat me, okay? It's a really nice little sentence, but of course, you can't hear a pie call your name. Okay, so that is personification. The stadium held its breath as he lined up the ball. You might hear this, mightn't you? The stadium held their breath as he lined up the ball. He went to shoot. He scores! Okay, a stadium can't hold its breath. That is a human quality. Okay, a stadium can't hold its breath. The stadium held its breath as he lined up the ball. Boom, boom, boom. Her heart was racing. Okay, could have been for anything. She might have had to have stand up in front of class to do a presentation. She might have been on the start line for the biggest race of her life. She might have seen a boy who she really likes, okay? Her heart was racing. Boom, 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 boom. Now, a heart can't race. It can't go around, it can't run anywhere, it can't do anything. We know what it means. We imagine that idea of the heart going so fast, it's frantic, but it can't be racing. Okay, that is the personification in that sentence. Now that we spotted personification in sentences, I'm going to leave you with a nice little task, and I'd like you to email me back your attempt at this. And I want some personification in the garden. Okay, I want you to imagine you're outside in the garden, or maybe you're in the park, and I want you to spot and think about the things. Have a little go outside now and have a little look at the things you can see. When I'm outside, and I can obviously, there's going to be grass on the floor. Think about some personification for that. Maybe flowers, okay? They've got little faces, don't they? They don't actually have faces, do they? But that's personification, okay? What are they doing? I think about the trees, okay? And it's, well, what might we call these long branches that come out of the tree, okay? We might give them some sort of human quality. Imagine I'm a tree. What would you call this? What would this be called? On me, can you give that quality to a tree? What might a tree do? Hey, maybe it begins to rain a little bit. The clouds, Well, let's maybe not say they're raining. What do humans do when water comes out of them? What could the clouds be doing as well? Okay, the wind, what might the wind be doing? It might be through the garden, it might be making a sound. Okay, I want you to just think about this little area around the garden. Think about the wind, the clouds, the sun. Yeah, as it sort of flickers, what might it be doing? The rain. What have we said? The grass. What might it be doing? What might we see on the flower that's personification? Think about the trees. How can we give human qualities to all of these? What I'd like you to do, I'd like you to write me those sentences, giving them human qualities. If you need to, what I'd like you to do is also go online, find some examples of personification as well. Okay, this is about you doing a little bit of your own research. If you do check out on the BBC, they've got some lovely, a little video that explains personification as well. And then what I'd like you to do is email me your personification work, year 3 at anglesey.beham.sc.uk. I'd like you to email that to me, and I'm going to have a little read through. And what I'd like is to have a little personification competition, and I'm going to put the best bits of personification up on the board, and maybe we'll go over some of some nice ideas. So, give human qualities to things that are not human out in your garden. Off you go.